Next, viewers, tracking some developing story with respect to a Pakistani boat that has now been seized by the Indian Coast Guard ship ICGS Ankit. In fact, had apprehended the Pakistani boat named Yasin with 10 crew members in Indian waters in the Arabian Sea during the night ops that had been carried out by the authorities yesterday. And the crew is being brought back to Porbandar for further interrogation as well. And for more details on this, let me go across to my colleague Shivani, who's joining us on the broadcast. Shivani, what more details do you have with respect to these Pakistani crew members apprehended by the Indian Coast Guard?
Priyanka, this is a major breakthrough where the Indian Coast Guard has apprehended this Pakistani boat that is named Yasin, and there were 10 crew members on this boat who have been brought to the Porbandar port for interrogation. The interrogation is still on. What was the purpose? Why were they in the Indian waters? Why did they cross the IMBL? Why they came here from Pakistan? That all is being investigated. And it's important to tell our viewers that this is an attempt of intrusion by Pakistani boats. Second attempt in last 15 days, because remember on 20th of December earlier, one Pakistani boat was also apprehended. The boat's name was Al Husseini. It had 6 crew members. It had heroin on it, a major drug trafficking case that was apprehended by the Indian Coast Guard in the joint operation with the coastal police. And today, once again, in the night operation, the Indian Coast Guard has apprehended this Pakistani boat named Yasin with 10 people on board who have been brought to Porbandar. The investigations are going on. The purpose of their intrusion is yet being known in the investigation, but certainly a big success for the Indian Coast Guard, who is bordering the IMBL, the Arabian Sea, and such movements are quite questionable from the Pakistani side, how these boats are entering, what's the purpose of entering. And majorly we know that the drug trafficking takes place. Sometimes the apprehensions have also come out in the trafficking of weapons from Pakistan towards Indian maritime boundary. So this is an important operation that was a successful operation by the Indian Coast Guard, where this Pakistani boat has been apprehended, boat Yasin, with 10 members on board who are being questioned and investigated, and appropriate action will be taken after the investigation.
Well, yes, Shivani, a perennial problem at the Gujarat coast where several intruders from the Pakistani side crossing the IMBL also come towards the Gujarat coast, and now authorities have also nabbed this particular boat named Yasin and all the crew members on board of it. For the moment, Shivani, thank you.